Hi everyone, so my name is Stephanie and today I'm actually just going to be trying out a new product. It is the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. I purchased this product after seeing somebody that I follow on Instagram talk about it. After I saw them talk about it, I went onto YouTube to see if there's anybody like natural hair or just curly hair in general that had tried it out, and just to see how it worked. I found like 2 videos. There's not really much by way of natural hair people trying this, so I thought I'd just put my thoughts out there on this and see how it works for me. I got heat damage a few months ago back in June, and since then I've been using the Olaplex 0 and 3, and they worked really well actually to bring back a lot of the elasticity in my hair. After I ran out of that, I just decided to try something new, so here we are. So the product comes in this package. If you buy it online, I bought it online, and I think I had like a 10% off code or something because it was my first time shopping with them. So I bought 2 of these sample sizes because the thing about this product is that it is very pricey. The 50 mil bottle is $75, and so I did not want to hop in without knowing if it would even work for my hair. So I purchased 2 of these 5 mil samples. No, I do not intend on using this on my whole head. The heat damage I have is just on this like portion of my head. It's not all around my head. So I am just going to be using it on the heat damage portions of my hair, and trying it out for 4 washes, and then if it does benefit my hair, then maybe I'll consider investing in it, but probably only on like Black Friday, because $75 for one item is just, it's a little steep for me. But if it works, then okay, then it works. So let me just give you a bit of information on this product and what makes it, I guess, different from other bond repair type of products like Olaplex. It came with like some information packets. These are like some instructions of what you should do, tips as far as using the leave-in. I'm not going to read this whole thing. It is pretty interesting, but I'll just pinpoint this orange section. It says K18 peptide is the patented molecular breakthrough clinically proven to reverse hair damage in just 4 minutes from bleach, color, chemical services, and heat. So it repairs damage, it seems, in a different way than Olaplex would. I'm not thinking that this is like replacing Olaplex, so I'd be interested in seeing how those 2 work together, or how keep adding this to a regimen of somebody who might already use Olaplex would work. But yeah, so let me just read some the instructions for how to use this product, because it was different and it was a little bit difficult for me to follow, being somebody who loves to like moisturize with conditioners or deep conditioners. So how to use, they say: in the shower, shampoo, skip conditioner. Skip the conditioner. They say that this has enough moisture for you to do that. Okay. Outside of the shower, towel dry your hair until damp. Start with 1 pump and add more as needed depending on the length, thickness, and condition. P.S. Our concentrated formula means a little goes a long way. Work evenly into hair, 1 pump at a time, working from ends to roots. Leave on for 4 minutes to activate. Do not rinse out. Style as usual once the 4-minute window is up. So luckily I would be able to put products over this. It's not just like this is the only thing I can have in my hair. So I will be adding other things, moisturizing things, and a styler on top of that, because ain't no way. And 1 pump is equal to 1 mil, and these are 5 mil containers. So I'm thinking I'll split these in half and call it a day. Okay, and I also wanted to point out this part. To get the most out of K18, they say to use a clarifying shampoo if you're a heavy product user or a dry shampoo user. Wait the 4 minutes after applying the the leave-in before adding any additional product and style or styler, and then use every 4 to 6 wash days consecutively, and see and feel the full results. So I will be using it for 4 consecutive wash days. They specifically say do not condition your hair before applying K18, don't overdo it, and don't rinse it out. So I also just wanted to show my hair situation, just so you see what we're working with, my before and after. I separated this. This is my heat damage section. Everywhere else is fine. With this heat damage section, you honestly may not even be able to tell, but you can see, no, you can tell. So this hair is it should be the tightest section of my hair, but the curl pattern just isn't uniform. It just feels a bit stringy on the ends, and this is like not how it's supposed to look. I also have some in the back here. It's kind of hard to see, but trust and believe that is not the way God intended for my hair to look. And I will show you just on the other side what it should be looking like. So this is not heat damage. This is my natural curl pattern compared to what you just saw over there. Just not great. But when my hair is styled, when my hair is dry, it kind of blends in a lot better. But if you can believe it, Olaplex really did help in putting back a lot of that elasticity. This is just the section I'm going to put that all in. Yeah, so I'm going to open this one. Y'all, this stuff is so small. I'm not gonna use a lot of it. No, it smells fine. It smells like a general hair care product. I don't know how the hell I'm just gonna take this amount for now, and then we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay. I mean, it doesn't, I mean, it just feels like, girl, I can't tell you what it feels like. It does not feel like my favorite leave-in, that's for sure, but we'll see. They claim it has a lot of moisture. Really just like this back section and this corner section are the main okay. I'm going to put a little bit more on. Okay. I just feel like putting a little just on this front portion. That is all. I am going to set, I'm gonna set a timer for 4 minutes. Honestly, it's been sitting on for like a minute or two since it took me that long to smooth the product into my hair. All right, got a timer going, and I'll be back to show the results. Okay, so that was 4 minutes and I'm ready to see. I'm ready to see if I can see. You know, this is still, I mean, it's the first time I've used it. This is still not correct. But it feels really nice, actually. It does feel nice. But, you know, we'll see. We will see after a full month of using this. Let's see the back, which was like, the damage was not as extensive back here, but it was noticeable for me. I don't know, can't tell you. But shoot, I'll be back next week to report my findings. And just so we know what it should look like, this is what it should look like. So it's not here, but at the same time, at least I don't have stringy ends. So I'm going to twist up this section using, I mean, my hair feels fine. It actually doesn't feel terrible. I'm gonna twist up this section using my Trelux products. I just want something super moisturizing, so I'm going to be using this 4-in-1 hydrating cream and the Reflex Curl Styling Serum just on this section. On this section, I'm going to use the accompanying Trelux leave-in, but this, since it already has that K18 leave-in, I'm just gonna let it be. You know what? I just brushed that product through my hair, and my hair is just looking a bit more like kinkier. Maybe it's all in my head, but I don't know, it might have just did something. I don't know. Ooh, that was a little too much. Oof, that was a little too much of the serum. Don't at me, I know. I can't tell you if it's working or not, but I hope it is. Hi everyone, so this is going to be my second week using the K18 leave-in repair cream. And I just wanted to come here before I just completely washed my hair. This is not, I mean, I styled my hair with other products. I used Trelux, and then midweek I refreshed with the Melanin Hair Care leave-in, multi-purpose, multi-use leave-in, I think. So this is not all due at all, in any, honestly, in any part, to the K18. But I just wanted to show the back of my head. I can generally see a difference of my density in the back of my head. Like, I feel like this part that is heat damaged is just not as full, so I pinned it up to the side. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm very excited to wash my hair, see what my hair looks like after the week, and then see what it's looking like after the 4 minutes of leaving on the cream. I didn't mention this last time, but I did use the Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap shampoo because I don't actually have that many like shampoos. That is the only like clarifying shampoo that I have right now. And since this product states that you need to do it on clarified hair, that's what I used. So, all right, I'll be back with clean hair.